have a habit of abandoning our roots and only focus on the locks. But a squeaky clean and fresh scalp can make you feel refreshed and keep dandruff, excess germs and oil at bay. Hi, I'm Mohana and today let's make 5 of my favorite scalp scrub recipes from scratch and shower our roots with some love. Type scalp in the comments below to get more information on how to deal with an oily and dandruff-prone scalp. Exfoliating our hair is as important as our skin. This not only helps in removing built-up dirt and germs, but also allows for effective blood circulation, which then fastens the process of hair growth. Make a mixture of 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Section your hair and apply it thoroughly on your scalp, rubbing it in circular motions, and then wash it off. This brown sugar will help in ploughing away the dead skin cells. Aloe prevents itching and honey will cleanse and condition at the same time. Do this once a week and your scalp will thank you. Excess oil that sits on our scalp is guilty of blocking the cuticles and not allowing any nourishment to seep in. This impedes its ability to grow healthy and it can even lead to dandruff. Hence, a deep cleansing scrub once a week is something we all should do. Mix equal amounts of sea salt and olive oil and squeeze a bit of lemon to this mix. Give your scalp a good massage with this for 10 minutes and wash off with any shampoo of your choice. The lactic acid in the lemon juice will help get rid of pesky dandruff. The minerals in sea salt will help strengthen your follicles and absorb grease, while the olive oil will make sure your hair is nourished and hydrated. Most of the time, scalp issues come up because either our scalp is producing way too much oil or it's devoid of any moisture. So yes, the secret to a healthy scalp is maintaining this balance. And guess what? You only need this simple scrub to do so. Mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda and some conditioner together. This is a great combination because the baking soda has impressive antifungal and oil-absorbing properties, while the conditioner will make sure that your scalp isn't left too over-dried or sensitive. Remember, scrub and leave it on for not more than 15 minutes and then wash it off. There are so many oils available for hair growth, but we rarely target them to our scalp. We often wonder if it is effective at all. If you want to make the most of your hair oil, here's a quick scalp scrub that you can indulge in. Mix the juice of 1 lemon to about 4 tablespoons of almond oil and lastly add some sugar. Almond oil has numerous hair strengthening properties that can work wonders when you scrub your scalp with it using sugar granules. The lemon will cleanse your cuticles and make sure that the goodness of almond oil seeps right into your roots perfectly. I think we are all guilty of putting undue pressure on our hair to look its best. We put it through various products, heat and even chemicals. So here's an amazing scalp scrub that I reach out to give my roots a dose of healthy nourishment. Take 3 tablespoons of cinnamon powder with a tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of warm coconut oil. Cinnamon has the power to exfoliate both on a physical and a chemical level, allowing for oxygen to seep into your damaged roots and allowing to revive it. Honey is an antioxidant which reverses damage and coconut oil helps alleviate dryness. I hope you definitely try out these scalp scrub concoctions and pave way to healthy hair that starts at the very roots. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.